What's up? What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Chart After Dark. I am Guhano Gazni, and I hope you're all doing well. Okay, so let me ask you something. When was the last time you went a full week without using Amazon? No packages, no Prime delivery, no late night. I probably don't need this, but I'm buying it anyways. Exactly. Amazon's so embedded in everyday life that we almost forget it's also one of the most important stocks in the entire market. And today, something interesting happened. Amazon surged and helped push the Dow higher. And when a company this big starts moving again, market's usually telling us something important. Tonight, we're going to look at the chart and ask a simple question. Is Amazon gearing up for another major run, or is this the market getting ahead of itself? Before we get into it, if you enjoy calm, clear market analysis, which without the noise and hype, subscribe to the channel and share this with someone who wants to understand how markets really move. Okay, so Amazon isn't just another tech company. It's retail, logistics, it's cloud computing, it's streaming, it's advertising. And at this point, it's almost its own ecosystem, which means when Amazon stock moves, it's often reflecting something bigger about the economy. Because Amazon sits right at the intersection of consumer spending and technology. Well, today, Amazon stock climbed roughly 3 to 4%, is one of the biggest contributors to the Dow Jones gains. That might not sound dramatic compared to smaller stocks, but for a company this large, news like that matter because it suggests institutions are putting real money back into the name. So now when we look at the chart, the first thing to notice is structure. Amazon spent months consolidating, moving sideways, building a base. Think of it like a spring being compressed and coiled. The longer a stock trades within a range, the more powerful the move can be once it finally breaks out. So when we see a strong move inside that structure, the real question becomes, is this the beginning of a breakout or just another bounce inside the range? Right now, investors are arguing over two competing narratives. The bullish case says Amazon continues to dominate e-commerce and its cloud division, AWS, remains one of the most powerful engines in tech. If spending stays strong and AI demand continues rising, Amazon could benefit on multiple fronts. But the bearish case points to something else. Big tech valuations are already high, and if economic growth slows or interest rates remain elevated, some of these mega cap stocks could struggle to push much higher. So the chart we're looking at right now is essentially the market trying to answer the debate. For Amazon, the key levels matter. If the stock can push above the top, its recent range, with strong volume, I would suggest buyers are ready to drive this to the next leg higher. But if it fails again near resistance, we may simply see the range continue. And as you can see, after it broke the ascending trend line, it's now making an attempt back up to that parallel channel. Now, the fascinating thing about markets is sometimes the most important signals, they don't come from small speculative companies, they come from giants like Amazon. Because when the biggest companies in the world start moving, the entire market tends to follow. So the next few weeks in Amazon could tell us a lot about where tech and possibly the broader market is headed next. I'm Govano Gasly, and this is Chart After Dark.